The Kansai region, located right in the middle of Japan, has maintained strong cultural and trade relationships with Asia since ancient times. The Union of Kansai Governments is Japan's first region-wide union to extend its reach across prefectural boundaries. Boasting over 2,000 years of history and culture, the region is home to a rich array of tourist resources and natural attractions. The scale of Kansai's economy is comparable to that of the Netherlands. Kansai is a major consumption area with a population of around 21 million and a gross regional product of about 90 trillion yen. A diverse array of industries gather in Kansai, home to over 1 million business establishments consisting of various manufacturing industries, ranging from traditional crafts to advanced technological products and the industries supporting them. There is also a cluster of over 150 universities, world-renowned research institutes, and bases of science and technology, which form the core of a unique R&D hub responsible for the promotion of technological innovation through academic, corporate, and governmental cooperation and regional revitalization. Moreover, some of Japan's most comprehensive industrial infrastructure is located here, including Kansai International Airport, connecting the region to major cities around the world, and Hanshin Port, a strategically positioned international container port. As Kansai is located in the center of Japan's air, land, and sea transportation network, it is the perfect location for business, logistics, and R&D bases. Kansai is particularly proficient in the medical and biological fields, including pharmaceuticals, medical devices, advanced medicine, and health science. The region boasts a top share of the domestic pharmaceutical-related production shipment, along with both diversified and technologically advanced industries that support bio-industries, such as medical device development. Kansai is constantly producing world-class technical innovations and research results. The groundbreaking discovery of iPS cells was also made in Kansai. The Center for iPS Cell Research and Application, CIRA, takes maximum advantage of Kansai's strengths to promote the integration of all stages, from basic research through to application for the realization of regenerative medicine and drug development under the direction of Professor Shinya Yamanaka, winner of the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 2012. Moreover, a variety of advanced iPS cell-related research is being advanced throughout the Kansai region. Let's now have a look at advanced biomedical initiatives from around the Kansai region. Many of Japan's leading universities and research centers are gathered here in Kyoto City, along with many top-notch companies first established in Kyoto, which are expanding globally. Kyoto City is a place where industrial policies for fostering excellence and leadership in the life sciences are being developed. At the Kyoto Life Tech Innovation Support Center, located in Kyoto University, specialized coordinators make use of a network between universities, clinical sites, and corporations to support the development and launch of medical devices and pharmaceutical products in the medical industry. The Advanced Chemical Technology Center in Kyoto forms a bridge passing on the results of university research to small and mid-sized corporations. Located in Kyoto Research Park, the Kyoto Integrated Science and Technology Bioanalysis Center makes precision analytical devices, widely utilized in the analysis of genes and proteins, available to universities and industries. Creative Core Kyoto Mikuruma supports venture businesses. Osaka has been known as a town of pharmaceuticals since about 400 years ago, and within the city, especially the Doshomachi area, more than 300 pharmaceutical companies have established their headquarters. Osaka Prefecture's pharmaceutical output ranks as one of Japan's highest. The Japan Agency for Medical Research and Development, AMED, and the Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agency, PMDA, which support drug development, have also established their branches in Grand Front, Osaka. In the field of medical devices, many small and medium-sized companies offering unique and unprecedented technologies are concentrated in Osaka. Additionally, Saito Life Science Park boasts 3 incubation facilities and acts as a hub for companies and research institutes conducting R&D in the life science field. In the field of pharmaceutics, the Osaka University Immunology Frontier Research Center has deepened its ties with corporations to connect world-class fundamental research to medical treatment. The National Institutes of Biomedical Innovation, Health and Nutrition facilitates the development of pharmaceuticals from research seeds while also conducting comprehensive research concerning pharmaceuticals, health and nutrition. The National Cerebral and Cardiovascular Center boasts one of Japan's largest number of heart and other organ transplants and is the only institute involved in the development of medical devices. The center relocated to Kyoto, north of JR Kishibe Station in July 2019. Kyoto is currently in the process of augmenting a variety of health and medical-related facilities with Kyoto Innovation Park, focusing on the accumulation of corporate research facilities. The National Institute of Health and Nutrition, under the umbrella of the National Institutes of Biomedical Innovation, Health and Nutrition, the only national research and development agency which conducts research on health, nutrition, and exercise, will relocate to Kyoto Innovation Park. Riken Center for Biosystems Dynamics Research, which moved to Suita City in 2015, develops devices such as high-performance microscopes and supercomputers dedicated to drug discovery and investigates novel medical treatments, including drug discovery and predictive diagnostics. Osaka University Hospital, a core clinical research hospital, boasts one of Japan's top clinical study records in the field of regenerative medicine and is actively engaged in high-precision clinical research based on translational research for a variety of advanced therapies. Osaka Prefecture University is currently developing high-efficiency boron drugs for use in BNCT, boron neutron capture therapy, a revolutionary new cancer treatment that can single out and destroy cancer cells. The Graduate School of Medicine at Osaka City University is actively involved in research on preemptive medicine, dealing with areas such as fatigue. The Center for Health Science Innovation inside Grand Front Osaka is actively involved in research on healthy living and preemptive medicine, while also facilitating the academic industry collaboration for creation of new products and services. The premier preventive medicine research center, including MedCity 21, was established in Abeno Harukazu, which is the tallest building in Japan. Health data stored by medical examination at MedCity 21 is utilized to practice preventive medicines. Economic organizations are also involved in a variety of initiatives aimed at supporting drug discovery and medical device development. In addition to furthering collaboration with clusters worldwide, Osaka promotes international business. The Kobe Biomedical Innovation Cluster, or KBIC, is a medical industry hub that is home to about 370 research institutes, companies, and medical institutions. KBIC is comprised of the Biomedical R&D Subcluster, Medical Subcluster, and Simulation Subcluster. The linkage of the three clusters encourages the R&D of state-of-the-art medical technologies through to commercialization. In the Biomedical R&D subcluster, a wide array of research is conducted, including regenerative medicine aimed at treating intractable diseases. This accelerates translational research, bridging the gap between basic research and clinical application on the road to commercialization. At the core of the cluster is the RIKEN Center for Biosystems Dynamics Research. Researchers strive to elucidate the biological functions that unfold within the body during an organism's lifespan. By grasping life cycle progression from birth to death in order to advance the development of innovative technologies. In September 2014, the RIKEN Center for BDR and the Foundation for Biomedical Research and Innovation teamed up to conduct the world's first transplant of a retinal sheet derived from autologous iPS cells. In addition, with hopes of establishing the procedure for practical use sooner, clinical research using allogenic iPS cells has been conducted since February 2017 in cooperation with the Kobe City Medical Center General Hospital. The Foundation for Biomedical Research and Innovation at Kobe also conducts research on regenerative medicine for lower limb ischemia, damaged knee cartilage, and perforated tympanic membranes, and it also offers support for the clinical research of new drugs and medical devices and puts them into practical use. The medical subcluster brings together 9 advanced specialty hospitals. These hospitals, including a general hospital with 700 beds, have been working to strengthen ties with each other in order to provide patients with optimal medical treatments. The Kobe Eye Center, established in December 2017, is Japan's first institution that comprehensively covers ophthalmological fields from basic research and clinical studies to treatment and low-vision care. Hyogo Ion Beam Medical Center Kobe Proton Center was established as the nation's first institution that provides proton therapy particularly for childhood cancer. It provides state-of-the-art treatment in cooperation with Hyogo Prefectural Kobe Children's Hospital. In addition, in order to promote international medical exchange with overseas medical institutions, we established an overseas patient acceptance window in May 2018 in cooperation with Kobe University. In the simulation subcluster, which is represented by a world-class supercomputer, universities and research institutions have been collaboratively achieving a wealth of research accomplishments. FUGAKU, the successor to the K-computer, was ranked first in the world in 4 categories of supercomputers in 2020. Its full-scale operation is scheduled for fiscal year 2021, but it has already been utilized in some research and development projects related to COVID-19, such as elucidation of the structure of COVID-19, prediction of viral droplet infection, and search for the potential therapeutic agents. It is expected to be used in a wide range of scientific and industrial fields in the future. Along with the ongoing initiatives of practical application of regenerative medicine and commercialization of medical devices, efforts are also being made to develop innovative new drugs. The Kobe Biomedical Innovation Cluster will create further innovation and continue challenges in various fields ranging from advanced medical technology to healthcare through collaboration among academia, government, business, and medical institutions. Located in the western region of Hyogo Prefecture, Harima Science Garden City is a hub of product creation where academic research institutes and companies working in fields such as nanotechnology gather to further advance 21st century science and technology. Of particular note is Superphoton Spring 8, which was constructed and is run by RIKEN, a facility capable of generating the most powerful synchrotron radiation in the world. The facility boasts an impressive list of achievements in a wide variety of research fields, ranging from nanotechnology and biotechnology to industrial application. Because there is the Angstrom Compact-Free Electron Laser, SACLA, which was constructed and is also run by RIKEN, and the new Subaru Medium Synchrotron Radiation Facility, operated by University of Hyogo at the same site, the institute is expected to generate world-first innovation in everything from basic research to industrial application. The prevalence of diabetes is increasing at an unprecedented rate worldwide. Tokushima Prefecture, which had continually suffered from the worst diabetes death rate in Japan, has interpreted this situation as an opportunity to build a world-level base for clinical research and development for diabetes. Tokushima University, as an R&D base, has established the Diabetes Therapeutics and Research Center. The Diabetes Therapeutics and Research Center was established at the University of Tokushima to spearhead R&D efforts. Collaboration between industry, academia, and government is the driving force behind the commercialization of medical devices, sonogram analysis software, health foods utilizing Sudachi's ability to control blood sugar levels, and a variety of diabetes testing services and related medical tourism initiatives. 2014 marked the beginning of the Tokushima Health and Happiness Innovation Program. The Fuji Memorial Institute of Medical Sciences is the focal point of globally orientated advanced research into diabetes and subsequent commercialization. Research efforts to control the progression of diabetes, create innovative new drugs, and better understand the underlying mechanism behind diabetes will be accelerated with the aim of being the foremost area in overcoming diabetes. Tottori Prefecture is continuing to make efforts to gather bio-related industries, focusing on medicine and drug discovery. Tottori Bio Frontier, located on Tottori University's Yonago campus, supports R&D and commercialization based on Tottori University's world-class chromosome engineering technology. Artificial chromosome vectors created by this unique technology have many advantages over conventional gene insertion technologies, such as mounting huge gene clusters, and can be applied to various fields, such as efficient pharmaceutical development using models of humanized animals and cells, fluorescent or luminescent imaging mice, and animals producing fully human antibody. In April 2018, Tottori Pharmaceutical Innovation Center, owned by Tottori University, was established next to Tottori Bio Frontier. At the center, where there are office rooms and laboratories for collaborative research companies, as well as equipment exclusively for high-throughput screening of antibodies, universities and pharmaceutical companies collaboratively develop a new pharmaceutical utilizing achievements from research in chromosome engineering technology. The southern region of Lake Biwa is an academically rich area where medicine, science, and engineering come together in the form of Shiga University of Medical Science, Ritsumeikan University, and Ryukoku University.
Furthermore, the area is also home to the research and production facilities of major manufacturers and numerous medium and small companies with advanced core manufacturing technologies. Here, the Shiga Manufacturer and Medical Institution Collaborative Network heads efforts to maximize the know-how and role of all industry, academia, and government elements involved. The two regional strengths of MEMS, microelectromechanical systems, and microTAS, micrototal analysis systems, are being fully exploited to promote the development of diagnosis and treatment technologies for the realization of advanced medical care anywhere and anytime. Nagahama Science Park is located on the east shores of Lake Biwa. Inside the park, we find a multitude of biotechnology-based corporations, including the Nagahama Institute of Bioscience and Technology and Nagahama Bio Incubation Center, which assists with the initiation and commercialization of business in the biotechnology field. Here, biotechnology and the regional resources of agriculture, forestry, and fisheries are utilized for the formulation of a bioindustry hub, promoting the cooperation of agriculture, fisheries, commerce, and industry. Wakayama Prefecture is taking advantage of local fruits to assess the relationship between lifestyle-related diseases and regional characteristics, and combining this with senior citizen exercise programs developed by Wakayama University to create an active healthcare industry and a happy society. Faculty of Biology-Orientated Science and Technology, Kinki University, the National Institute of Technology, Wakayama College, and Wakayama Medical University are involved in the search for functional ingredients, identification, and evaluation of agricultural products. The Industrial Technology Center of Wakayama Prefecture is also involved in the development and evaluation of food processing methods. Research institutes and industry are working together to extract, understand, and verify the effect of health-promoting ingredients and to provide high value-added products utilizing new fruit processing methods. Kansai Science City is a science city located in the Keihana area, which straddles the three prefectures of Kyoto, Osaka, and Nara. Divided into 12 science districts, the city is home to around 150 research, university, and cultural facilities. Performing verification testing in environmental, energy, and healthcare fields, industry, academia, and government come together to foster a smart style of living, one that is conscious of health, food, and the ecosystem. Furthermore, Keihana Open Innovation Center, KIC, is functioning as the hub of global open innovation. The Keihana Robotics Engineering Center, which opened in KIC in April 2019, is expected to be a development hub for next-generation robotics. As we have seen, Kansai has formed Japan's largest cluster consisting of 10 unique interconnected biotechnology bases that lead domestic and international research with outstanding achievements. Taking advantage of this potential infrastructure, Kansai has been strengthening industrial competitiveness and thus becoming the global economic hub. In fact, with the designation as a National Strategic Special Zone in 2014, nationwide promotion of the research, development, and commercialization of leading-edge pharmaceuticals and medical devices in fields such as regenerative medicine has been conducted in sync with bold deregulation aimed at preparing a business environment conducive to human resources that welcome a challenge. Under the theme of Designing Future Society for Our Lives, the World Expo will be held in Osaka, Kansai in 2025. The Osaka Kansai Expo will be promoted to become a place of co-creation that contributes to achieving the UN's Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, and realizing Japan's national strategy, Society 5.0, under the concept of People's Living Lab. The expo is expected to spur innovation as the latest technologies will gather in Osaka Kansai from around the world, and new ideas will be created and transmitted. Kansai Bio Cluster will continue to innovate new technologies as it evolves on a daily basis. A diverse range of people who are globally successful while staying active with others aim to develop Kansai into the area to lead Japan's future.